hazardous weather outlook is for portions of west central Minnesota, central South Dakota, north central South Dakota, and northeast South Dakota. Day 1, today and tonight. Severe thunderstorms are expected to develop this evening and persist into the nighttime hours. The primary threats include damaging straight-line winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, very large hail up to 2 inches in diameter. A tornado is possible, but cannot be ruled out. Storms will initially form as discrete supercells before merging into one or more lines or clusters by late evening. Heavy rainfall may also occur with stronger storms, potentially leading to localized flash flooding. Day 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday. Additional chances for thunderstorms exist Saturday afternoon into Saturday night, though the threat for severe weather appears lower than today. Isolated strong storms may occur again midweek with a passing disturbance. Spotter information statement. Storm spotter activation will likely be needed tonight.
It only cost me $7 to recreate the rest of the ensemble, and that's a grand total of $11.
You know what? Imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, so I thank you. Identity theft is not a joke, Jim. Millions of families suffer every year. Michael! Oh, that's funny. Michael!
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Head County in central South Dakota, northern Hyde County in central South Dakota. This includes the city of Highmore, southwestern Falk County in north central South Dakota, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lebanon, or 7 miles northeast of Gettysburg, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Heights around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Polo at 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Orient around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Burtmere around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a dangerous storm with the potential to produce large hail and damaging winds. Take shelter now. A tornado watch is also in effect for the area. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Service duty today.
That's really not our job.
Midnight, Oscar. Don't worry, Kelly will be training you first.
Kelly's training us?
This day is Bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. This day is Bananas, B-A-N-A.
I don't have a headache. I'm just prepared.